Hey guys, and welcome in our studio. My name is Frank Dorov, and today we are joined by our model Lois and a big softbox. Now, we all love photography, right? We love lighting our models, but sometimes we need to open up a little bit of shadows. And that's why today we're talking about reflectors. Now, we all know the round reflector, right? Often on one side silver, one side white. And they are great, but if you hold them under the chin of your model, look at this. There's so much room that's, well, not used. And also from the side, it's very easy to get it in the frame. And that's why with Rogue, we also have a rectangular reflector. I absolutely love this one. Of course, white and silver. Now this one is much easier to control. We can place it under our model and we can place it from the side. Now, of course, it's a little bit less surface, but you get back a lot more light control. We can talk about it a lot. Let's go into our studio and let's take some images with the rectangular reflector. So as you can see, the rectangular reflector from Rogue, absolutely amazing. I think with every photography assignment, you need to bring one of those. They're so easy to just squeeze in tight spaces and they just open up the shadows very nicely. And the round ones, of course, they're awesome too, but this one is just a little bit more flexible. Now, of course, we can shoot it from the side and open up shadows, but look about this. I sometimes call this the umbrella setup. One light from the top aimed down. Now, even without the reflector, I absolutely love this lighting setup, but the model has to look a little bit up. Now, if you use the rectangular reflector, it's very easy to just open up those shadows very quickly. And you can get some amazing results. So let's take a look at the shoot and, of course, the results. But first, if you use something like this, do make sure that there's enough light from your softbox hitting the reflector. And that's why the softbox is actually a little bit in front of our model to get an optimum light quality and reflection from our reflector. So let's go to the studio and let's take some shots with Lois. And of course, we're going to see the results.